Hello, in front of me I've got BYD SEAL 5. In this video I'll show you how to set up custom assistant wake word. In the beginning, let's go to settings and go to BYD Assistant. Enter wake word and now type your custom wake word. Now say the wake word to activate voice assistant. Hard reset.
Hi there.
Open driver window.
All right.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.